Good afternoon po, Attorney. Since maulan po ngayong araw na to and may mga nakakaapektong weather system sa bansa sa mga nakalipas na araw, paano po nakaapekto itong weather conditions natin sa SONA preparations? Kung meron.
Sa ngayon, sa ngayon tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung preparations natin. Hindi naman siya naaantala. Of course, we will keep on monitoring yung developments ng ating panahon sa mga susunod na araw. Pero as of today, tuloy-tuloy at wala namang disruption sa mga preparations.
Ano pong worst case scenario in relation with weather conditions ang pinaghahandaan ng interagency task force para sa Fort SONA?
Well, I'll have to check later kung magkakaroon ng iba pang mga developments sa ating weather. But sa ngayon, we are preparing na tuloy-tuloy at matutuloy ang SONA as prepared.
Alright, pero meron po bang any contingencies if ever na bagyuhin o kaya po mas lumala po yung epekto ng habagat sa July 28 po na mismong SONA ng Pangulo?
I would suppose there will be some contingency on how the SONA will be delivered in the event na mas lumala ang ating panahon. Pero kung ano yung mga detalye nun, wala pa ako.
Does it mean po, Attorney, na walang possibility na mapostpone ang anumang physical gathering for the SONA of the President?
Sa ngayon, wala pa naman pong ganung uusap pa doon sa postponement of the physical gathering for the SONA.
Earlier po, na-mention po ni Secretary General na kompleto na po yung guest list for SONA. Ilang libo po ba inaasahan nating bisita?
Wala ako nung actual numbers ng mga naimbitahan at mga nagkumpirma. Pero in last year, I think that was one of the most attended SONA that we've had in recent history. If I remember, around more than 1,500 last year yung nag-confirm na mag-attend. And we are expecting that the numbers will be similar to that. I cannot give you exact figures as of yet.
Last on my part na lang po, meron po bang necessity na mag-upgrade ng security measures ang batasang pambansaang Kamara para po sa SONA or same lang ng security measures na ipinatupad last year?
Yeah, definitely. I think napag-usapan din naman yan kanina. Yung security measures for the SONA has already been finalized. It would be more or less the same as last year. Of course, there will always be adjustments on various situations or concerns, but just the same, the security group are all prepared for next week's SONA.